If you think making the perfect carbonara is complicated, think again. Today, I'll show you how to prepare an authentic and creamy carbonara, with a few small tricks to make it perfect for everyone. For this recipe, we'll need about 150 grams of guanciale, cut into strips, 2 egg yolks per person, plus 1 extra for an even creamier result. And for the cheese, we're using 50 grams of Pecorino Romano, but feel free to substitute or mix it with Parmesan for a milder flavor. Lastly, don't hold back on the freshly ground black pepper, it's essential. Once the pasta is in the salted boiling water, let's focus on the guanciale. Place it in a pan without any oil or butter and let it cook over medium heat until it's golden and crispy. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know where our community is tuning in from. In the meantime, let's prepare the base for our creamy sauce. Mix the yolks with the cheese and a generous grind of black pepper. It's important to use high-quality eggs, and to ensure safety, we'll rely on the heat of the pasta to gently pasteurize them for us. When the guanciale is ready, add a ladle of pasta water to the pan and let it simmer for a few moments. This step creates a flavorful base to coat the pasta perfectly. Drain the pasta, but don't overdo it, we want it to stay slightly moist, and transfer it straight into the pan with the guanciale. If needed, reserve some pasta water to adjust the texture later. Now comes the most crucial step. Transfer the warm pasta into the bowl with the egg mixture and stir quickly to create a smooth, silky sauce. If the result seems too dry, just add a splash of reserved pasta water, and it'll be perfect. Which Italian recipe would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comments. Your ideas are what keep us going. And here it is, our carbonara is ready to enjoy. Plate it up, and it's time to dig in. Finish it off with a sprinkle of grated cheese and a generous dash of black pepper. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our recipes. See you in the next one, and enjoy your meal.